Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Germany's approach to Holocaust education. Germany mandates comprehensive Holocaust education in all schools, ensuring that students learn about the historical events and their profound implications. This crucial instruction aims to foster a deep understanding of the past, promoting tolerance and preventing future atrocities. The curriculum is designed to be thorough and impactful, encouraging critical thinking and moral reflection among young people. German education on the Holocaust delves into the rise of Nazism, the persecution of Jewish people, and the atrocities committed. Teachers utilize a variety of resources, including historical documents, films, and powerful survivor testimonies, to bring the past to life. The goal is to ensure students grasp the full scope of these events. This comprehensive approach encourages students to engage with the material on a personal level, fostering empathy and a commitment to justice. A vital component of Holocaust education in Germany involves visits to memorial sites and former concentration camps. These visits provide a powerful, tangible connection to history, allowing students to reflect on the immense human cost. The experience is designed to be deeply moving and educational, reinforcing the lessons learned in the classroom. This direct engagement with sites of remembrance helps to solidify understanding and ensure that the lessons of the past are never forgotten. The impact of Germany's Holocaust education extends beyond historical knowledge, fostering critical thinking about prejudice, discrimination, and the importance of human dignity. It aims to cultivate a generation committed to democratic values and actively working against all forms of intolerance. This ongoing commitment ensures that the lessons of the past continue to shape a more just and peaceful future. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.